Curious about what this next-gen Mitsubishi Pajero Sport might look like? Sadly, no sneaky snapshots have surfaced yet. But our friends at Kalesa have worked their magic and rendered a few photos predicting what the new SUV could look like. Connect the dots and it might mirror the vibes of the brand new L200 aka Triton design from Mitsubishi. Expect a matching facade and potentially some shared traits up to the B-pillar. While the length between the wheels might shrink compared to the pickup, it's bound to be roomy enough to squeeze in 3 rows of comfy seats. Now the back of this SUV remains a mystery, but bets are on a more serious, structured look. And under the hood, details remain foggy. Yet whispers suggest it might have a lot in common with its cousin, the L200 aka Triton pickup. Fresh off the production line, this pickup's rocking a revamped steel frame, boasting greater strength in every dimension. As for its heart, it pumps through a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a trio of power options. The cherry on top? Choices of transmission and driving modes that range from classic to fancy, with power splits and differential tricks.